Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be replacing can lights with LED flat lights. And I love these things because they have an adjuster on the back that lets you adjust how bright you want that light to be before you install it. These flat LED lights come with instructions to help you install them two different ways. So I happen to be able to use the attachment that lets you screw the light in like a normal light bulb. For some of you, if you have newer can lights already installed in your house, you might not even need that light bulb attachment. You might be able to plug that T24 Quick Connect straight into the existing can lights Quick Connect. So you'll have to have a look when you get inside of your can light to see what's going on. Before installing the light, you're going to need to attach springs to each side of the can light. They're real easy to just pop into place. Just carefully push them into the clip that holds them, and then you're ready to start your install. The flat LED lights that I'm using come with a really handy to use installation guide with lots of information that anyone would need for safety and all of that stuff. So if you want to use these exact can lights, I'll put a link in the description below. Even though these lights with the E26 connection screw in just like a light bulb, it is recommended that you turn off your power at the breaker just to be safe. There could always be loose wires inside of your can light that you don't know about before you start doing this. I always start by unscrewing the old light bulb first. Then all I had to do was pull that can light fixture down so that I could push in the springs and sort of disconnect it slowly from the inside of the housing. The bulb socket is connected to the light fixture through another set of spring clips, so just squeeze those in to release the socket from the fixture itself. Try not to drop that old fixture on the floor like I did here. Then all you have to do is screw in that E26 connection into the light bulb socket and you're pretty much good to go. Make sure that you switch the light setting on the back to the type of lighting that you like. As I said, I use 5000 Kelvin on mine because I like a nice bright daylight look. It goes as high as 6000, or you can go for something much lower if you want to have a more moody room lighting. Now I can't get a camera up high enough to show you exactly what I'm doing, but all you need to do is squeeze together the springs on one side of your lighting fixture and make sure that they go into the clips inside of the can on that side. Then push all of the wiring into place before you put the springs into the clips on the other side of the lighting fixture. Then you can just push that flat LED light against the ceiling and you're good to go. That's pretty much all you need to do. That's it for replacing can lights with LED flat lights. As always, if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I do try to answer them whenever I get a chance. Bye guys.